Hey, Angelica. Here's the rundown of how I normally determine endpoints and how they work and how I get everything going. So the code that I shared with you is here. It is at the very beginning and should be at any place that you want an endpoint. It belongs to, over on the right-hand side here, you see index.php under my web server, which is API-ROI.net, under Stagecoach, the name of a product, and the hooks folder. And that translates to the activity of, as soon as I get there, what I do here, I first go into the Infusionsoft interactive REST documents, and what I will do is I'll take a sandbox app here, and let's say I allow. And first thing I'm going to do is look to see if I already have any, just so I can remove them. If you can see here, I don't have any, so I'm going to create a hook subscription, and that is going to look like, say, actually, I think that's how it's worded. Let's say contact.add. So I'm going to create a hook subscription. So I do a contact.add, and the hook URL, I'm going to do my https://api.roi.net/stagecoach/hooks. And what I do, so that I know what app is sending back the hook information, because there is no way to identify which app the hook results come from after it's registered, is I put in an additional app parameter. And in this case, it is PL336. So every time it sends you information, it will send you a get of app and the app name as far as data is concerned. I test it, and when I see that it works, and as you can see, it says verified, so it reached out to this endpoint right here, the index.php that's located here, and it found that code, which sent back the XHook secret and verified it. That's how you get that. So then what I do is I take the whole thing, I copy it, and I go into Postman. The reason I do this is because it gives me a simple way to manage code. So here, I would paste that, and I already have this set up for us. It does exactly the same thing, only this is contact group applied, no problem. But now that I'm just looking to find the thing for registering a hook, and when I press send, the hook gets registered. You can see right here it says verified. So then I come up here and I say code, and I now have a pre-made curl code where I can now insert inside my code. I can insert, for example, right here where access token is, I can insert a variable. So I can go back into PHP Storm and I can insert $token, for example. And I can do the same thing with any of these other parameters. So I hope that makes sense and is easy enough to follow. And I hope everything works out for you. Thanks.